I couldn't resist myself. I had this problem when I was working from home. I worked too much, ironically. Yeah, so those bump stops, these little guys right here, inside, they are right here. If you can see that very well. But out with the old, I got the other one off already. It's out of there. Yeah, they're pretty brittle and dry, so it is a good thing. Out with the old, in with the new. I'll clean that down with some WD-40 before I put them back on, and then while I'm in here, see if there's anything else. I'll get my vacuum, make sure the, in fact, I'm going to use this video, make sure my weep holes, the drainage holes are empty of debris. Leaves and stuff get down in here. Lord knows what else, so that is par for the course. That's how that works. If you ever need to do that, you angle your tailgate up a little bit. This is the switch that makes the tailgate motor, window motor, think that it's closed and can go up or down. Otherwise, if you open the gate, it won't go up or down. You have to override that switch manually while you're opening it up. I just did a little bit. But there we go. There we go. That's all the window regulator, all that fun stuff in there.